Wait at least 24 hours before walking on newly installed laundry room floor tiles to prevent shifting and ensure the mortar sets properly. For a reliable cure, follow the Thinset or mortar manufacturer recommended time, which is typically 24 hours for light foot traffic and up to 72 hours for full strength. Temperature and humidity affect cure, so keep the room between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit and maintain moderate humidity to avoid premature drying or extended setting times. Use rope or caution tape to block the area and place temporary planks to distribute weight if you must cross the floor earlier for essential access. When using rapid set mortars, read the technical data sheet because some products reach light traffic in as little as 2 to 4 hours while others still need a full day. Grout should be allowed to set for at least 24 hours before light use and sealed after the manufacturer recommended cure time, usually another 24 to 48 hours for penetrating sealers to properly bond. For heavy appliances or cabinets, wait a minimum of 72 hours and consider using shims and protective pads under appliance feet to prevent point loading that can crack tiles during the initial cure. The most common mistakes are walking on tiles too soon and causing lippage or shifted joints, using incorrect mortar bed thickness which leads to hollow spots and eventual tile failure, and not controlling site conditions like temperature and humidity, which slows or accelerates curing unpredictably. If someone walks too early, remove the tile and rebed the area if shifting occurred, or apply a grout repair once set to correct minor misalignment. For improper mortar thickness, use a notched trowel appropriate for the tile size and follow industry guidelines for coverage to eliminate voids and promote proper adhesion. To control site conditions, use portable heaters or humidifiers as needed and monitor with a simple thermometer and hygrometer to maintain the recommended range. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for tile and flooring jobs, and it also helps contractors find work by connecting them with nearby projects and homeowners looking for services. We host a discussion community where we and others share best practices, product experiences, and timing tips so you can learn from real projects and ask practical questions.